In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a blog website in Hostinger. So what you want to do is go onto your hosting here. We see we've got this hosting here. Now you want to go down to websites and click add website. Now, what is your website type? For this, we're going to do a blog, so click blog. You can create a new one or migrate it. We're going to create a new one. You can use WordPress or you can use their own thing. I'm going to use their own thing because for a blog, you don't really need WordPress. You can buy a domain or use an existing one. I'm going to select existing one. And you can put your domain in here. And now that I've put the domain in, it's now redirecting me to the website builder. So that will take a second. Cool. Now we can start creating. What's our brand name? Easy Earl. Now, basically, this is going to generate us a website with AI. So we create tutorials on all business/finance related topics for YouTube. Describe what your brand is, what you do. The more you put in, the better it's going to be. If you put in too little, it'll be pretty vague. If you put in too much, it'll be too specific. So try and get it just right. But generally, the more information does help. At this point, it's literally designing everything. It's doing the adjustments. It's literally designing the whole site for you. And boom, you can see the website is ready. So let's see what it's done. Learn business and finance the easy way. Our tutorials are designed to help you understand complex business and finance concepts in a simple and easy to understand way. And these are different couple blog things. We're a team of experts, blah, blah. It's pretty cool. It's pretty good. Now, you can press continue. And that's going to allow you to edit the website in the website builder. You can take a tour if you want. I don't need to. But then here is your designer. It's the page builder. There's page and navigation, so you can click on the different parts. You can go into different posts here. You can click on the sections to edit them. So if you click on that, or hello world. You can really just now fiddle around with this and make the website, the blog, look how you want it to look. Now, if you hit preview, that's going to give you a preview of what your website is looking like. Nice. Lastly, then you can click go live, and that's going to give you a live copy of your site. So if I click view site, this is the website that we've made, and it's already published. Now, obviously, you'd spend a lot more time putting your blogs into here, doing whatever you need to do, but that's pretty much how you do it. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.